Greetings, my friends. I hope you all having a good day today, man. So, as you can see, this is a GPM kit number 399, and it's a Bristol Scout from 2014, and it's a 14th model made in that year. I should take it. And as you can see, it's 133 scale Bristol Scout. And you can see nice thick paper for the intro, nice overall view of the model, history of the model, typical GPM style. And here's something unique about GPM. I don't know if they're the only one who does it, but you can tell. You see the big numbers, 1, 2, and they list their pages on. It's something that I noticed that's unique to them. Anyway, so as you can see, overall 3 views of the Scout and this template. And let me tell you, this is lovely that they add this. Definitely needed to ensure proper alignment before you add the struts in between the wing. And of course, instructions well laid out, nicely laid out. So you should not have any difficulty. Even if you can't read the Polish instructions, the visual here, the diagram should help tremendously. And there you go. A thin sheet, but it shows you what you cut out, what you put together. This now you glue onto the 1mm thick hard cardstock and cut. Sides, fuselage. Wow, loving this. You realize that this is built up. You have to build, this is a built up prop. It's really nice, really nice. And of course, quality cardstock, standard 160. Standard 160. And building the engine is going to be a chore in and of itself. As you can see, they give you the cylinder heads, they give you the details how to get done what needs to be done. And here you have again the wing, the cowling to put together. This should be interesting. What is this? Weary Willie. Weary Willie. Wow. Focus, Neil. Focus. And of course, you have the stabilizer, the elevator, landing gear struts, the wheel. Again, I have my own way of building the wheel, so you can see that in the future build, how I do it. Engine parts. And of course, the detail for how this goes together. So this should be interesting in and of itself, how it's built. And I will make sure to show you how I got mine done so that, it might help you with your build. And again, detail of how it's done. Lovely. I guess how it's done here, by the time you press on it, you can see the formation of the ridges literally as you put it together. So it is like being stitched, the indentation of what we had. How the engine goes together, how the landing gear goes together. Pretty decent. I like this. I really do like this kit. And then, as you can see, the jig for putting the wing together and how it's done together. Nice. And there you go with the engine, I think I will do a little research to see what the Scout look like and what the cowling look like, so we know if we should smooth this out so it looks really decent and compound curved or not. Cake tool should make good work with that. Then of course we have the Lewis machine gun and a build up of it and how to put the finishing touches on. And here we have the layered prop, how to make it look quite well. And there you go, you attach the gun to the side. Very interesting, eh? And of course the rest of the instructions how it's done. So yes, that's how it is for the Bristol Scout. And here we have many other GPM models that's available on their website. I have copped quite a few and highly recommended. Now, shipping and transportation is expensive, so I suggest save up a bit and then order. Like what I do is order at least 10 from be it Orlick or GPM or any other site. I order in bulk, so the shipping cost would be spread throughout. So that's it for the Bristol Scout. So until then, my friends, take care, walk good, and above all, one love.